Okay, everybody, welcome to another episode. I'm going to make this really quick. It's been a really busy week, but a lot of things in motion, a lot of things going on. Not only with the truck, but with the rig. Let me give you a few updates and I'll let you know there's a lot more to come. There's a lot of moving parts in place right now, and that's why I haven't had a chance to really do a complete video. So this is going to be down and dirty and quick, but just updates, give you updates. First of all, truck is running well now. Put in additive fuel each time I fill it up. Everything's great with that. However, do have one other little hiccup that came up with the truck, but that was easily solved. We just had a valve failure on the tires, and actually got a video on that, but that'll be coming up later. But anyway, we got that taken care of, but truck's running great. The rig, this is one of those rare moments, guys. Both slide outs are working in the living room, so I'm able to actually enjoy the entire living room. In fact, everything on the rig is in perfect shape, with the exception of, as you all know, my frame. My frame is all FRUBARred. So one thing I haven't shared with you yet, and I'll get in more detail in another video about this, but I seem to have bowing in the middle of the frame over the axis. Similar to what I guess other people are experiencing, but I have that now, and again, I'll get into that in another video. But those are the updates for now. I'll keep you posted on everything that's going on with this rig, and what repairs I got to do, and all the activities that are going on behind the scenes on that one. I just wanted to give you a short little video and give you some updates. So right now, that's all I can share at this point. There's a lot more happening. I just can't share it at this point. But I will keep you guys posted, and I'm giving you this little video because of all of your comments. Everybody's saying to do all sorts of things regarding Mojo behind me here, my RV. And I can't tell you what I'm doing or what's in motion, but it's a lot going on. So it's been a very busy week, or almost week and a half now, because of all of this. So all I want to do is say thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all your comments. There were thousands of them, and I haven't responded to all of you yet, but I will get through them. I promise you I'll get through them. Next Sunday is the Sunday before Christmas, so we've got a special episode planned for that one. So I hope you tune in for that. Otherwise, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell, and that'll notify you when I'm putting out another video. And it really helps out a lot. And all of you that has hit the subscribe button, I really appreciate it. I got some exciting stuff coming up next week, and shortly thereafter, you'll have updates on what's going to happen to Mojo. All right, take care. Have a good bucket list day. Bye.